Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the world of minimalist home decorating, the incorporation of plants into interior spaces represents a harmonious convergence of simplicity and natural beauty. The marriage of minimalism and greenery transcends the conventional boundaries of home decor, transforming living spaces into serene sanctuaries that seamlessly blend the tranquility of nature with the clean lines of minimalist design. Plants, with their organic shapes and vibrant hues, introduce an element of life and vitality to minimalist interiors. The juxtaposition of lush green foliage against a backdrop of neutral tones creates a visual symphony that is both calming and aesthetically pleasing. This deliberate infusion of nature into minimalist spaces serves as a counterbalance, softening the sharp edges and contributing to an overall sense of balance and harmony. Strategically placed, carefully selected plants become sculptural elements within minimalist interiors. Whether it's a single statement plant in a corner or a collection of varied greenery on a sleek shelf, each plant becomes a focal point, celebrating the beauty of simplicity. Minimalist home decorating with plants is not about abundance but rather about intentional curation, allowing each plant to shine in its own right. Potted plants become an extension of the color palette in minimalist interiors. The subtle variations in green tones, combined with the natural textures of leaves and soil, introduce a nuanced layer of complexity to the otherwise restrained color scheme. This dynamic interplay of shades adds depth and warmth, evoking a sense of connection to the natural world. Beyond their aesthetic contributions, plants in minimalist interiors also offer practical benefits. They purify the air, creating a healthier indoor environment, and contribute to a sense of well-being. The act of caring for plants aligns with the mindful ethos of minimalism, fostering a connection to the living elements within the home and encouraging a mindful approach to daily living. In essence, incorporating plants into minimalist home decorating is a celebration of the symbiotic relationship between simplicity and nature. It is an artful practice that transcends mere ornamentation, inviting residents to cultivate a deeper connection with the natural world within the context of their carefully curated living spaces. The result is a home that not only exudes tranquility and balance but also serves as a testament to the timeless beauty of minimalist design.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!